Welcome to the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team, where we are competing in motorsport as a fun experience, and we're probably unique as most of our sponsorship is through crowdfunding from lovely people like you. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Thank you very much. In this episode, I'm not working on the Rally Mini, no, still doing string alignment on the suspension. We are in the Suzuki Ignis Sport and we're doing a forward-only auto test at the Isle of Wight Steam Railway at Haven Street. Pace notes, mate.
Just in the map a little bit.
Know where you're going?
I'm not like driving.
There's splits in this one.
Yeah.
There is genuine split left and split right.
I know, there is.
That's a face that has an eye and his mouth, and he's got a fag in his mouth. Look. And a mullet.
Yeah, that's me.
You're navigating, do you know where you're going?
I think I do, but
Round the cones.
round the cones, that's where I'm going.
Through here, round there, back, there, round, there, back, through there, round there, finish.
Perfect.
Yeah. Jakey, before you go, could you explain the tyre rule for 2025 for sealed surface? Good.
Well, for sealed surface, it's 1A type for class 1 through 4, and then class 5, anything goes except 1B and 1C.
Simples.
Simple.
Go on then, what's your role for today?
I'm gate marshal.
And what does that involve?
Stop people here because you can't have cars parked in that lane.
Oh,
So I
okay.
have to make sure people stop here and then
'Cause-
just let them through as one comes out.
Excellent. Yeah, I suppose they don't want like running race cars outside their house all day, do they? No way, is that the same wheel?
It is. Can you spot where it was?
It's on the outside. No, I can't. I can see a little bit there. Something's gone on there. But that is amazing.
What went wrong with it?
It had a massive... Well, we'll find the original footage somewhere. Or you have to send me a photo. Insert photo here.
It
That...
was a massive chunk. I took a bit of wheel like that on wheel at Westridge.
Yeah, you hit the curb.
Really hard. I knew I was going to, but I didn't stop. And I asked Martin if he could fix it, and he said, yeah, we can fix anything. And then I showed it to him, and he went,
And that was all done by...
Martin Goddard, job.
What a skillful man he is.
Top
There you go.
job
So
it
if you
is.
want your alloy wheels repaired, go and see Martin at MJG Grits. She fixed?
Definitely not. Jump pack because it won't start now.
Oh no.
Bottom end is like,
So what's the case today? Just
hopefully make it through.
okay.
Worst case is I'm here, I can do a first run, I can always borrow an MX-5 to
Yeah.
carry on in my class, but...
Oh, of course you need
know
something
the
in
rules.
your class, don't you?
No, I don't. No, as long as I start
you
on the
you
grid...
could use the Ignis.
Oh, can you? Oh, thank you.
That's all right.
As long as I start on the grid
Yeah.
with this, if it dies when I'm out there, I can then carry on my competition in my class.
in a lower class car. That's nice job on Kathy's wheel.
Yeah, nice, thank you.
Very impressed.
Took some welding.
Did it?
Yes. Took some welding. And then she said, oh, can you just put a bit of paint on it? And by the time I'd masked it up to, or done whatever I did to paint it, we've just powder coated it.
And it looks amazing, mate. It's genuinely really good. have a suggestion for the committee. AGM, we have it in there.
Well, it may be, because that looks like a good...
It looks amazing,
yeah.
doesn't it?
Well, I'm going to suggest that too.
Good.
We've got a meeting next week, so I'll mention it.
Yeah, gets my vote. What tyre pressures you running? Secret! Tell me a story, mate.
What's the story in Balamory?
What's the story, Morning Glory?
He's having fan issues.
Oh. In what way? What's the issue with the fan?
It's not coming on.
It's just not coming on.
No.
So it's a wiring issue rather than a physical issue.
Well, it might be the fan switch itself.
Okay. What you need is a power probe.
There you go.
Because you can then stick it in there, can't you? And go. Zip.
Yeah, and you can see if there's any power getting.
Yeah.
I didn't do the training.
Tool of the week.
Tool of the week.
Oh, CCU controlled.
How's it?
How's it going in the MX-5?
Not too bad. I keep hitting corns.
Don't we all? No, you're enjoying it though?
Yeah, definitely.
And
It's
what
good
a venue.
circuit. Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. Yeah.
So, how's your day been?
It's been great.
You cheered up a bit now?
Well, I'm just tired from the long day, very long day at work. But yeah, I'm fine, mate. How are you?
I'm very well. I think this is just the best venue ever.
It's a great venue.
It's like Goodwood just for us.
Yes.
Thank you very much to those in the last episode about the Ignis, where we were trying to lose weight off the Ignis to improve its power to weight ratio. This week we managed to remove some weight out of the rear bumper and the rear crash bar. Believe it or not, that all totaled to 5 kilograms. Every gram helps, doesn't it, with performance? So if you can think of a way that we can make our Ignis lighter, let us know in the comments below, please. And while you're doing that, please smash that like button and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. If you'd like to support our little team, there's no better way than becoming a YouTube member or a patron. I make a video every week for those people, known as the midweek update video, where we talk about how we're working on other project cars and what we're going to do in the future. How's your day been, mate?
Very good, but I need to calm myself down.
Yeah, everyone's been talking about your first lap, because for the first lap it dominated for I don't know how long.
Because I didn't go stupid.
Is that what it was?
Calm it down. And you try and beat that time, and all you do is lose time. Rein it in.
Do you know where I haven't even looked at the results?
It was a good time.
Was it?
Yeah. If you didn't miss anything.
Back into first.
Really?
Hell of a workout though.
And you've got the knob, so that's the thing.
Yeah.
I think out of all the venues or courses that we've had this year, that's definitely where you need one.
Yeah, that goes with that.
Hydraulic handbrake and a knob.
Yeah, but it only works really well if you get that weight transfer in the turn.
Yeah.
Slam the brakes on without locking it up and turning it and bleeding it off.
Excellent. Anyway, let's get on. Thank you very much. Round one was?
I was 68 in the first round and I'm 66 in this one.
Nice.
So that's better.
What's that? What are you eating? Chocolate? What are you eating?
Unbelievable.
It's good food.
Sausage.
Good food.
And bacon.
Sausage and bacon back. Lovely.
What a venue.
Chef's kiss. Honestly, good venue, good food, sunshine, trains.
Beer.
That's it. Brilliant. All right, for those that don't know, our motorsport is funded by Bin Juice. And Bin Juice is things that I sell on FaceBay or eBay that I find in the bin at work. So our motorsport for today has been sponsored by a box of old rope, an old yacht navigation system, and some old 2-stroke oil.
Henry, got loads of video for you.
Have you? But Henry can.
floating cones.
We're on Harry Cow, are we?
You like my burrowed car?
Hey buddy, how you going? Pretty minimal in here. No aircon, no radio.
You're on, mate. Hi, mate. How are we going, Henry? All right?
I nearly hit that cone twice. Nice. Felt like I went around the 360 better. Just getting used to it. There's nothing like special.
Yeah, not a lot in it. I need to find a second. What time's the next train, please?
I can't think of any train jokes. Do you know any train jokes? Do you know any train jokes? Do you know any train jokes? No. Do you know any train jokes?
No.
Nobody knows train jokes. Oh yeah, there we go. That's always a cool shot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Before you go, do you lads know any train jokes?
No. I don't think so.
That's a bit of snazzy lining up, mate.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, you know, perpendicular. What you wait? What?
50 horsepower. I can't waste any of it.
Do you know any train jokes?
No. Nice bag you got on there, Kev.
Cheers, mate. It's lunch.
Let's have a. Let's have a. Oh, very snazzy.
It's a cool bag. It's a cool bag with the lunch in it. More importantly, do you know any train jokes?
No. Yeah, you're only just. Stay there, Dave. At high school, just for the record.
Is he in?
Yeah, he's in.
That was good, mate. Lots of smoking tyres there.
It was good. Just for the record, just in, counted at high school, and it still does in adult life, just for any.
Doesn't matter if you're in by an inch or a mile.
Being in is in.
I'd take one over there.
Very nice.
Do you know any train jokes?
Think I've run out of steam.
That's the best one so far.
Run 5 drivers!
96, driving 96.
Tell me a story, mate.
Once upon a time, there was a Volkswagen, we didn't start. That one there's got a crack on it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's not attached, that one.
We managed to finish second in class and fourth place overall, just missing out on the podium.
What are you eating? Everyone's got to tell me what they're eating. Nobody's allowed to get away with it.
Pringles.
Pringles? What flavour? Sour cream and onion, my favourite. Oh.
If you'd like to visit the Isle of Wight Steam Railway at Haven Street, I'll leave a link to their website and the Visit Isle of Wight website in the description below.
Please tell me a train joke.
Okay, what do you call a train with a cold?
I don't know. What do you call a train?
A choo-choo train.
Right, that's it. Thank you very much. YouTube reckons that you should watch this video here. I'm not going to argue. So until next time, ta-ta for now.
A choo-choo train.